Hey guys, today we're going to work on different ways to add fractions. And for most fractions, there's multiple different ways that you can add up other fractions to equal the bigger fraction. So let me show you an example here. 5/8. One thing that we can do to equal 5/8 is 1/8. We did this part in 4th grade. Plus 1/8 5 times to equal 5/8. Sorry, I'm gonna run out of room. Plus 1/8. That's one way that we can equal 5/8. Another way that we could equal 5/8, we can do 3/8 plus 2/8. We could do 4/8 plus 1/8. We could do 3/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. There's so many different ways that we can add fractions. But let's go back and look at that 5/8 equals 4/8 plus 1/8. Another way we can do that, so you guys know you have to have a common denominator to add, but 4/8, that's equal to a 1/2. So then I could also do 5/8 is the same as 1/2 plus 1/8. Okay, there's so many ways. I could do 5/8 is the same as 3/6 plus 1/8. Because that's the same as 1/2. I could do 5/8 is the same as 7/14, because that's equal to 1/2 plus 1/8. If I'm trying to find an equivalent or fractions to add up to 10/12, I could do 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 10 times. 10/12 is the same as 2/12 plus 4/12 plus 4/12. But then again, I can look at other problems with different denominators that are equivalent to some of these. So 2/12, that's the same as 1/6. Those are equivalent. 4/12, that's the same as 1/3 plus 1/3 would equal 10/12. Or if I wanted to leave this one at 4/12, I could. And the reason that I know that this equals 10/12 is because I know that 1/6 and 2/12 are equivalent. And I know that 4/12 and 1/3 are equivalent. And remember, if you're not sure how to find an equivalent fraction, you just multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. So I'll remind you of that really quick. So let's say we start with 1/3 and we're trying to get to 12s. Times what equals 12 on the bottom? Times 4. So if I do times 4 on the bottom, I do times 4 on the top. So 4/12. Guys, I think this lesson is going to be pretty easy for you. Good luck.